Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to send a video note on WhatsApp. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected with friends and family is easier than ever, thanks to innovative features like video notes. WhatsApp's video note feature allows you to capture and share moments instantly, making your conversations more engaging and personal. Let's dive into how you can use this feature. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. This is where all your conversations come to life. And now, you can add a visual touch to them. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat where you want to send your video note. It could be a personal message to a friend or a fun update for a group chat. Now, let's get to the fun part. In the chat window, you'll see a camera icon next to the text input field. Press and hold this icon to start recording your video note. As soon as you do this, your phone's camera will spring into action and a timer will start counting down. You can switch between the front and back cameras at any time during recording, giving you the flexibility to capture whatever you want. One of the best features of WhatsApp's video notes is the ability to record hands-free. To do this, simply swipe up while holding the camera icon. This will lock your recording, allowing you to move around or gesture freely without having to keep your finger on the screen. You can even switch cameras, stop the recording, or cancel it if needed. Once you've finished recording, all you need to do is release your finger from the camera icon. Your video note will be sent instantly to the chat. It's that simple. The recipient will receive a circular preview of your video note, which they can tap to play with sound. Video notes are perfect for sharing quick updates, reactions, or personal moments. They add a lively touch to your conversations, making them feel more personal and engaging. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to say hello, video notes are a great way to connect with others on WhatsApp. So, go ahead and give it a try.